In today's world of AI and speed, the old way of starting a business just doesn't make sense. Stop wasting money on freelancers, and you definitely don't need a full marketing team when you are just starting out. Instead, imagine this. In just 28 days, we will build your entire startup growth systems. All it takes is just 2 hours a week from you, and by the end of the month, your business is ready to launch. It is exactly how it works week by week. Week 1 is research and foundations. We kick things off with your foundations. Our one is a discovery call. We learn about you, your vision, your goals, and your style. We will share logo inspirations, color palettes, brand ideas, and start shaping your brand story. Then our team goes to work analyzing competitors, market trends, pricing, sales channels, and opportunities of your competitors. We check SEO gaps, branding opportunities, and even secure the perfect business name with available domains and social handles. By hour 2 at the end of the week, you will have a competitor summary, a naming report, a visual inspiration like logos and colors and etc. You will take the weekend to review and lock in your direction. Week 2 for branding and content strategy. Now that the foundations are clear, we build your brand. Hour 3 is about getting you started, set up your domain, professional email, and social media accounts on the platform that makes sense for your business. During the week, our team creates your full brand identity, multiple logo concepts to choose from, a brand strategy guide like colors, fonts, imagery, and image guidelines, your content plan and website wireframe. So by hour 4, you will see draft of your branding, website design, marketing collaterals like business cards, flyers, social media, card decals, and other things. You will review, give feedback, and finalize over the weekend. Now, week 3, websites and design build. Week 3 is where things really come to life. In hour 5, we start building a 10 to 12 pages GUI level website, SEO optimized, mobile friendly, future proof. Landing pages built to convert, blog and e-commerce capabilities. We will integrate Google Analytics, Search Console, Facebook Pixel so that you can capture your customers. Meanwhile, our design team finalize all your visuals, branded posts, reels, short videos, and marketing assets like catalogs, letterheads, or even merch. By hour 6, your website is live, your socials are branded and optimized, and your marketing materials are ready to go. Week 4 for automations, launch, and training. So it's a launch week where it all comes together. In hour 7, we set up your CRM and automations like appointment and booking systems, missed call text backs and nurture emails, a unified communication inbox for all social messages, sales pipelines, invoices, proposals, and email templates. We will also optimize your Google business profile, set up your link trees, and prep your launch announcement. Hour 8 is training. We walk you through your CRM, automations, and content planner so you know exactly how everything works. And if you are ready for ads, we will even structure your funnel and run them for you. So, in just 28 days, just 2 hours a week from you, you will walk away with a solid foundation, name, branding, strategy, everything, a professional SEO ready website, a branded social media presence and content plan, a fully set up CRM with automations, marketing collaterals, and system to look and operate like a real business. No wasted time, no freelancers, no guesswork. Just one streamlined system to launch your business the right way. Click any link below, book your 28-day startup kit today, and let's make your business real.